You're never, ever, ever, ever going to feel like doing the things you need to do in order to have what you want. You're always going to need to push yourself. You're always going to need to parent yourself.
Nobody is going to hand you the fulfillment of the dream you have in your mind about a great life you want to live. This is what's wrong with people today. They think that great lives just fall out of the fucking sky. If they dream hard enough, that their life will turn out just the way they dream. It's a fucking lie you're feeding yourself every day. I and other successful people wake up every day doing the same thing, fighting back against the distractions, the fears, the doubts. And we learn over time, we build into a habit to spend more time having control instead of more time being out of control. Every day is an opportunity for you to start taking control of your life.
If you want to be a champion, if you want to be successful, you've got to live an active life. You've got to live an active plan. You've got to attack the day, you've got to win the day, and you've got to stack those wins to a point of where winning is just who the you are. It's time to take control. It's time to make a plan. It's time to execute on that plan.
And if you want it, you gotta be willing to work for it. If you're daydreaming more than you're working, then there's a problem. If your day does not consume of work, then you are not going to reach your goals. And so I challenge you to put in work, to have some sweat equity. That means you gotta put the video game down. And that means when everybody else is going to the movie theater over the weekend, that you may not be able to go to the movie theater. It means that you might have to stay home. It means you gotta give up something to get something. Many of you have dreams and goals, but you will never get to where you're trying to get to from the bed. You will never get there from the couch. You will never get there from sitting and talking about it until you're being about it.
I want you to go out and I want you to execute. Go out right now, work on a project, complete something that is going to move you forward.
If you would get up, get out, and do something and put that sweat equity behind your dream, I guarantee you'll be successful.